Today, you YouTubers have decided to create your very own Rubik's 3x3 checkerboard pattern. Well, YouTube, today is your lucky day, because today, I am going to show you guys how to make it. This is probably one of the easiest cube patterns you could possibly do. So basically all you do is take your cube. This is the yellow side. I know it kind of looks like white, and you want to do down, down. So you should end up with something like this. And then you want to do 1, 2. Then flip it to the side. Do 1, 2. And now, voila! You have your checkerboard pattern on your Rubik's 3x3. Pretty cool. Alright, YouTube, and actually before I go, if you guys are wondering how to undo the cube, basically you just do the thing backwards. So, take any side, 1, 2, then take this next side, 1, 2, and now your cube's undone. Goodbye.